Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, pass-through rear seat, MP3. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power windows, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.